What's up, guys? Sorry about the light. What's up, guys? Mr. Metals here again. Don't have a full-length video, but I have some tips. I'm working on a BMW X5 3.0i, 3.0L with an m54 in it. I am changing out the steering wheel angle sensor. That's what this is. Alright, I saw a video on this already, how to do it. The only reason I'm doing a video is because the guy was doing it. One guy was doing it with his whole dash taken out already, and another guy was doing it where he had basically took a whole bunch of stuff off. I just wanted to do a video to give tips to simplify it, so here we go. Basically, to get this panel down, you're going to take off, see here, 6 screws, just a basic Phillips head, here, 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 and then they're here, here, and here. Once you take those down, you'll be able to just flip this panel down. See, it's just nothing but this whole phone back here. I didn't disconnect any wires because I didn't want to. I don't want to reconnect anything I don't have to. Then I got up under here. I use my 13 ratchet and my 13 wrench. Got both sides of that bolt and the screw. Undid them at this, held one, undid the other. You basically know how it goes. Pull that out. Then I got my big screwdriver, which I actually broke the tip off. But I got my big screwdriver and wedged this open a little bit as I was knocking it down on the sides, on both sides. And if you, with my short crowbar, just a dollar store dollar crowbar, I wiggled it from each side using this as a brace. Now what I did was I made sure my wires were back from it so that they did get spliced up in it. And I used them as a brace and hit from both sides, here and here. And then I used the crowbar against this to wedge here, and in the back here to wiggle it back and forth, and get it off. Now that it's off, that's off, I can slide the, hold on, I gotta get a finger on it, can't do it with the camera, but basically I can slide the old one off and go ahead and put the new one on, reconnect it, slide the bolt back up, slide the steering column back up, tap it back on, reconnect the screw, and then put it back together, and that's it. I just wanted to do that to show the easiest version. Everybody else has had a whole lot of stuff doing, so this way you can just go in, go straight to it, open it up, take it in, take it out, and you're done.